Most Airbnb damage claims are lost in the documentation phase. If your proof is messy, your payout is at risk. ClaimArmor gives you the professional edge. It's one place to upload everything and export a clean, audit-ready packet in minutes. Stop hoping they understand your claim. Start handing them a dossier they can't ignore. Now let me show you how it works. You start a new claim and enter only the essentials like platform, guest check in and out dates, guest name, and a short factual description. Then you upload your evidence like photos, receipts, and screenshots, keeping it simple so every dollar you request is tied to proof. Next, your claim packet comes together in a clean format with a clear summary, a simple timeline, and an itemized breakdown that matches your evidence. So instead of starting from a blank page, you just review, tighten wording, confirm details, and make quick edits. When you're ready, you export the PDF packet and submit it. And if you work with a co-host or owner, you can share a read-only link so everyone is aligned on one version. The win here is clarity. You're not hoping a reviewer connects the dots, you're handing them a packet where the dots are already connected. And if you want claims to take minutes instead of hours, start your trial and generate your first packet to feel the difference right away.